Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open 2018 GMC Terrain key fob. Press the Release tab, slide out the mechanical key, then work the seam with a thin, flat tool. Gently separate the two halves and lift out the circuit board without touching contacts. Remove the battery by sliding it from its clip, replace with the correct CR2032 type, and reassemble the halves until they click securely back together. Gather a thin flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, a CR2032 battery, and a clean flat surface before you start. Keep good lighting so you can see the small retaining clips and battery orientation. Take your time to avoid forcing any pieces and check the circuit board for any corrosion or debris. If the fob has a stuck tab, a little mechanical sympathy and patience go a long way toward a clean repair. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car tips. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof meal prep containers for storing batteries, screws, and small fob parts without spills or mess. They stack neatly in a toolbox and make cleanup simple, so they pair surprisingly well with DIY car work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by pressing the mechanical key release and removing the key to expose the seam. Insert a pry tool and rotate gently to avoid cracking the plastic, then lift the circuit board straight out. Slide the CR2032 battery into its clip with the positive side up, confirm the fob lights respond, and align the halves before snapping them together evenly. Test the buttons and reinsert the mechanical key when finished to ensure proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.